In my hometown, Chinese sausage is another essential part of the Lunar New Year. When guests come over, there's always a plate of sliced Chinese sausage and cured pork on the table. They come as a pair. If that plate is missing, it somehow feels like the new year hasn't fully arrived yet. There was a time when fresh meat wasn't easy to get, so families made sausage and cured pork in winter for the new year. Today things are different, but this tradition still matters. Now that I live overseas, I make Chinese sausage at home using my mom's recipe to keep that familiar New Year feeling close. First, pack the pork dry and carefully sanitize the surface with vodka. The ideal ratio of fat to lean meat is about 3:7. Cut the pork into thick slices. I'm making 2 flavors today, one spicy and one sweet salty. For the spicy version, we use chili powder, Sichuan peppercorn powder, 5 spice powder, sesame seeds, sugar, salt, chicken powder, and pepper. First, add a little vodka and mix well. The exact seasoning measurements are listed in the description below. Then add the seasonings, followed by some oil. Mix everything thoroughly and marinate for 1 hour. For the sweet salty version, we use salt, sugar, and a bit of pepper. Just like the spicy one, add the vodka first. Then add the seasonings and mix again. Before we start stuffing, we need to prepare the sausage casings. Rinse them to remove excess salt. Then soak them in vodka for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to stuff the sausages. After stuffing, tie them with string to divide them into smaller sections. Use a toothpick to poke some holes. This helps release excess air inside the sausage. Hang them up and let them dry for about 5 to 8 days. And let time do its work. My daughter keeps asking when the sausages will be ready. Once they're done, cut them apart and freeze them for storage. Steaming or boiling both work well. Wow, the aroma is incredible. The best sausage is always right on the cutting board. Even though I'm overseas, it feels like I'm back in my hometown again. Some flavors never let you forget where you come from. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.